Hey YouTubers, in this video we're going to be discussing my whole house water system and changes I've made, and we're going to discuss a few things I've added to it. So stay tuned and I'll be right with you. Alright YouTubers, this is my current whole house water system. And for some of you that had seen my videos, I was going to do an updated video on the electric water softener descaler kind of setup that was up here, the Yarna. We had a massive electrical surge come in on our line, and we had a surge protector device that was installed on the box, and it did not clamp the voltage, and we lost quite a few electronics. So that was very disappointing. Continuing on, what we've done here is, this is all 3/4 inch shark bite. We have a 50 micron spin down filter here. These are two Pentek Big Blue 20 by 4.5 inch filter housings. So these are more of a commercial filter, but we have a lot of rust and sediment. They work great for the house too, well or city water. We are on city water here, and what we have inside of here is actually one of these filters right here, which is a multi-gradient or a gradient depending on what they are. That was the old one. This is a 25 micron unit in here, and this is a 5 micron unit in here. These are both gradient filters, and where they, slowly fill up full of materials. But we have a lot of rust in our water, so we are always having an issue with that, or sediment. And we're going down here 3/4 inch down to these A.O. Smith granular activated carbon. This is about a 20-pound tank. And we've got a whole house descaler, which this is about a 12-pound tank. We ordered these from Lowe's, and they have worked really good considering the fact of they're good for about 6 years. They're about $300 at the time of filming if they're not discontinued. They were a little hard to get because they're Lowe's exclusive, excuse me. So we did have a hard time kind of getting those. And that just goes out to the house. There's a little extra pipe here for future, anything there. And we did have a UV filter at one time. That's died on us, and we're always trying to constantly clean the water, make it better, do things like that. Now, if anybody has any comments or questions, please put them down below. I will gladly answer them. Real quick, I do want to mention on these filters, definitely get a good wrench or the one that's made for them. And I always buy an extra tube of the O-ring grease and new O-rings every so often. Probably, if I change these every 6 months, 3 months, somewhere in there, I usually change the O-ring every 6 months on each, just to make sure that it's not bad, messed up, or anything like that, or longer if it's in good shape. So I just want to throw that in there. Again, if you guys have any comments or questions, please put them down below the video. I will gladly answer them. I'm trying to get back into these videos and get them going again for you guys and gals out there. So if you have any questions, like I said, put them down below. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Don't work too hard. Take it easy.